Welcome back to the garage, the place where we are making your Bronco your dream Bronco. Hey, if this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe. I'm putting out how-to videos for the weekend mechanic and providing the Bronco entertainment for the Bronco community. Today what we're working on is putting a Rhino Rack on my 1975 Ford Bronco. First, slide the bolts into the channel of the outside frame. Now because I have 5 of these, then I need 20 to go in there. Then, once all 20 bolts are in, attach the 4 end caps. Each end cap has 3 screws that need to be screwed in with a drill. Then attach the bottom of the cap and screw into place. With your braces laid out, slide the bolts into each brace. Then line the brace bolts up with the frame and put the nuts on the bolts and tighten them down. Next, place the support bars on top of the braces and line the bolts up with each bar. Put the nuts on the bolts, but don't tighten the nuts down yet. For my Bronco, I have the backbone that goes into the drip rail on my hardtop. Rhino Rack includes these rubber feet to minimize the damage to the drip rail when tightening everything down. Then what you want to do is slide the larger bolts into the support bars. These bolts are going to go into the backbone. Now you can torque down all the bolts on the support bars. All right, so I got it all positioned, and looking at the numbers, we did 78 on the front, 33. This one is 12 and a half, you can't really see it. And then 50, and then 84 and a half. Can't really see that one either. With the help of a buddy, lift the rack into place on top of the Bronco. So this guy goes under that seam, and the plastic piece goes on top of it through the 2 holes, and then you've got your screws, lock nut washer and washer. So that's it. I mean, this install is actually really easy. It just takes a lot of time to actually get all the pieces together. Now, I threw my spare tire up on top of the rack, which makes my Bronco super tippy right now, and I probably wouldn't go wheeling with a tire up there, but it looks, you know, looks kind of overlandy-ish, and I really like the look of it. So I'm really happy with the rack, and the install was great. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.